श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि प्रणामं लक्ष्मणमुनिप्रतिगृह्णातु मामकं प्रसादयति यत्सूक्तिः स्वाधीनपतिकां श्रुतिम्. We have been enjoying Bhagavat Kalyana Gunamritams. We enjoy and taking Sri Bhagavat Ramanuja's Churnikai in Charanagati Gadyam, namely Swabhavika Anavadika Disaya Jnana Bala Aishwarya Virya Sakti Tejas Shaushilya Vatsalya Mardava Arjava Sauharta Samya Karunya Madhurya Gambhirya Audharya Chaturya Stairya Dhairya Shaurya Parakrama Satyakama Satyashankalpa Krititva Kritagnata Asankheya Kalyana Gunagadauga Maharnavam, the ocean of infinite auspicious attributes, Kalyana Gunams. We have touched upon so far Jnanabala Aishwarya Virya Sakti Tejas Sausilya Vatsalya Mardava Arjava. We have so far briefly enjoyed. We have been blessed to have this wonderful compilation of these Kalyana Gunas with the Vyakhyanams written by Swami Vedanta Desikan, Srita Prakashikacharya and Swami Periyavachan Pillai Paramakarunikar. Their Vyakhyanams for Gadyatrayam and especially on these Kalyana Gunas have been beautifully compiled by Srimad Aishingar Napatanjampatam in a book called Yerar Gunamum Ediluruvam, which has been released about 20 years back. Such a wonderful compilation which Adiyan, even though lacks the capacity and capability to put in whatever language that we can enjoy, however, just with the mere greed of sharing this with all of you, Adiyan attempted to do this. Acharya Kripai. We will continue with Sauhardam today. Sauhardam, the word Suhrit means friend or a well-wisher. Sauhardam means a friendly disposition of Perumal towards all living beings. Srita Prakashikacharya says Sauhardam means Ashritanam Abhimata Shreyo Abhidyayitvam. Ashritanam Abhimata Shreyo Vidyayitvam. So Periyavachan Pillai explains this, that having a thought to consider only good for the devotees. As a friend, God is concerned for the well-being of the devotees. And Hitaishitvam. Sauhardam means Hitaishitvam. Hitaishitvam is concern for the well-being of all living beings. That is the meaning, says Swami Desikan, which essentially means the same. Sarvavidamana, Periyavachan Pillai mentions that Ashrayittavargalukku Sarvavidamana Abhishtangalayum Alikka Ninaikai. Perumal wants to grant all good things, all benefits to everyone without bias, especially the devotees more. So Sauhardam means we can also interpret from Srita Prakashikacharya's line that Perumal's only concern is to take care of the devotees, that is the Ashritas. And in fact, Swami also mentions quotes from Bhagavad Gita. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram sughritam sarvabhutanam nyatva mam shanti mrichati. 5th chapter, 29th slokam of Bhagavad Gita. Krishna himself says about himself, Bhagavan's for Karma Yogam, it is difficult to do Karma Yogam. And how can I do that? Arjuna asks. Krishna responds, Arjuna, you may think that it is difficult to do Karma Yogam, but when you do that Bhagavad Aradhanam, and if you do it as a Karma Yogam, when you do anything, any action as an offering, as an Aradhanam to Bhagavan, it would be extremely sweet to you, because to whom you are doing this Aradhanam as a part of this Karma Yogam is the one who grants everything. He is such a benevolent Sarveshwara. He is Sarvabhauman. He is Sarvaloka Adhipati. Hence, it would be pleasing for you. It would be a pleasure for you. And he is Sakha as well, the Sarveshwara. He is Suhrit. Kannan calls himself as Suhrit. Sarva Bhutangalakkum Suhrit. I am the Suhrit, means a friend, a well-wisher for all living beings. And there is that Sarveshwaran grants anything and everything that you are desirous of, because he doesn't have to look for someone else to give it to him, for him to pass it on to you. He wills to give, and he will give. So to do Aradhanam for Sarveshwaran is simple, easy, sweet, bhogyam, and you can do it. And that is Karma Yogam. You would love to do it, says Krishna. Bhoktaram yajna tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram sughritam sarvabhutanam nyatva mam shanti mrichati. Sharvarukkum yavane sharanyam. He is the upayam for everyone. He is the Suhrit for everyone. Sarvasya Sharanam Suhrit, says Shvetashvatara Upanishad. He is Sarvabhuta Suhrit. He wants to do only good for everyone. Samoham Sarvabhuteshu, he says in Gita. So Kannan, he calls himself as Suhrit. Suhritaha Aradhanayahi Sarve Prayatante. So Swami Emperamanar mentions that Pirar Nanbanai, Pirar Nanmayai Virumbhavana Yavarum Aradhika Murpaduvadu Prasiddham Dane. If somebody is so kind, if somebody is so benevolent, if somebody is so magnanimous in granting whatever that you desire, everyone would love to praise him, glorify him, worship him, talk great about him, isn't it? And that is common in the world, says Emperamanar. So even not only people who are with Shastra Jnanam, also even the dog wags its tail if somebody is kind towards the dog. So it is obvious that people would be enchanted and excited to take care of their friends who are concerned and kind towards them. And obviously Perumal is such a friend to all beings. Look at the way Krishna behaved and acted acted for Panchapandavas. There was the Kurukshetra war was going on. It was a very fierce battle. There were many people who were trying to attack Arjuna. There was one Bhagadattan. He was trying to attack Arjuna ferociously. He wanted to kill Arjuna. He sent an astram which can kill anyone, regardless whether he is a good warrior or not. And Arjuna was not aware of its power. He wanted to stop him, prevent him from sending that astram without knowing the power of that astram. But Krishna was aware of that astram sent by Bhagadattan. So immediately Krishna got up from the horses. He was sitting down at a lower level because he was a charioteer. But knowing fully well and apprehensive of the astram which is coming towards Arjuna, he stood up, stood in front of Arjuna, and he got the astram on his chest, and it became like a Vaijayanti mala on his chest. Visrishtam Bhagadattena tatastram sarvagati vai urasa pratijagraha partam samchadya madhavaha. This slokam Swami Desikan quotes, and he says, Emperuman, Krishnan, whoever is devoted to him, whoever is friendly with him, he would stand himself to protect them. Look at the way he does good to Panchapandavas. And Swami Namjiyar for Vaigal Punkazhivai Thiruvaimozhi Aram Pattu Mudal Thiruvaimozhi, first song, first Pasuram, Vaigal Punkazhivai, in the Avatarikai, he mentions that Pandavargal Karyathukaga தன்னை போக்கி அவர்கள் கழுத்தை கட்டிக்கொண்டு கூட திரியச் செய்தேயும் அவர்கள் பட்ட வியசனமெல்லாம் படுகிறார் காணும் இவரும். Pandavas, because of their karma, they were loitering here and there, and Duryodhana made them suffer, undergo all those ordeals, and they had to go run from pillar to post and hid themselves. All that problems we know. But everywhere, wherever they went, Krishna also went along with them. கழுத்தை கட்டிக்கொண்டு அவர்கள் செல்லும் இடங்களெல்லாம் கிருஷ்ணனும் செல்லுகிறான். The way how he himself put him under so much of suffering along with Panchapandavas. Vaigal Punkazhivai Pasuram, Avatarikai, Swami Namjiyar, whenever he tells Kalakshepam, he used to talk about the Sauharda Gunam of Perumal, quoting these examples. And the way how he went and cried along with Panchapandavas, be with them in their suffering along with Panchapandavas. How he stood in front of Arjunan and took the astra of Bhagadattan and accepted it on his chest, protecting Arjuna. All this is nothing but Sauhardam. Swami Srimad Aishingar mentions that, like Panchapandavas, if we are also devoted to him, if we are also friendly to him, if we love him as much as Arjuna and other Panchapandavas loved him, he would take care of us. He would protect us. Because he is Sarvajnan, he is Samarthan, he is Sahaja Sugrit, and hence we should perform Baranyasam at his feet. That's what our Purvacharyas mention. Let's do that, says Swami Srimad Aishingar. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Adiyan Dhanyosmi.